Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we will find the option security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to find more security and privacy. And scroll down again to find encryption and credentials. So as you can see, it's quite hidden. Here we've got the option clear credentials, so the option which we're looking for. So what you have to do is to simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.